What is up, my FX Maker family? Welcome back to the Halloween makeup series. So in this makeup tutorial, we're going to be resurrecting the dead, aka this mummy. So if you want to learn how to recreate this, continue watching. If you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, and let's just hop into it right now. Make sure you subscribe also. Alright, so taking some cotton and latex, we're just going to sculpt out our prosthetic on a life cast or a mannequin head. I will link down a video of how to sculpt with clay, not with clay, with cotton and latex, so that'll be linked down below. Alright, so let's get this hair out of our way, out of our face. Alright, so taking our prosthetic, you want to stick it on your face. So before we do that, we need to take some Vaseline and we need to block out or hide our eyebrows and our hairline just in case we get latex or Prozade inside of it. So taking liquid latex or Prozade, I'm using liquid latex. You want to stick it all inside of your prosthetic and also on your forehead and your skin. If you're planning on wearing this prosthetic out for a long night, or if you're allergic to liquid latex, please use Prozade. But since I'm just filming this and taking it right back off, I'm using liquid latex. Liquid latex does hold it on pretty good, but if you want it to stay on a long time, Prozade. Alright, so stick it on your face after the prosthetic latex gets tacky, and hold it there for a few seconds. Now, taking some liquid latex or Prozade, you want to blend the edges to your skin. I'm using liquid latex, so I'm taking a sponge and just dabbing it on the edges to blend it to my skin. But if you're using Prozade, take a Q-tip and blend it to your skin that way and build it up. Alright, so now I'm taking a Q-tip and we're trying to get our nose flap thingy to lay flat against my skin, but I'm having a little bit of trouble with that, so we're going to take some tissue paper and we're going to stick it down, put latex on top of the tissue paper so that it will blend to my skin. And we're going to stick latex on top of the tissue paper and really blend it to my skin. Okay? And we're just going to dance a little bit and sing. Alright, so taking some cream body paints, we're going to be taking red and black. We're going to be filling in our eye sockets. So going in with the red cream body paint, you just really want to fill in your eye socket really nice and good. This is kind of like a raw meat color, because we're going for like a rotten, decaying zombie that has been resurrected from the dead. Alright, so taking the black cream body paint, you want to go around the edges and blend it into the center to make your eye look like it's sunken in and decayed. Now, taking some acrylic paint, you can use water-based body paint, you can use alcohol, you can use whatever you want. I'm just taking acrylic paint and we're going to be covering and foundation our whole prosthetic and our skin in one color, and this shade is called Deceased Flesh. Now we're going over a little bit of a darker skin tone and we're really going to grunge it up, dirty it up, and make it look like it's rotten. And with my sponge, I kind of ripped it apart, so it's kind of looking like a broken capillary. Alright, so we're also going to bring all of these colors down our neck because we want our neck to match our face. So taking this cream red body paint and this sponge, we're really going to stipple some sponge on there so it looks more rotten and decaying. Now I'm going to take this cream red body paint and we're going to really fill in our nose socket like we did with the eyes, and just cover your whole nose in this red meaty looking color. Now, taking some more of acrylic paint, we're going to cover up the bottom part of our nose because I did not like it. Now, taking the black cream body paint, we're going to go out around the edges of our nose socket and blend it in towards the center to give us the sunken in look. I'm going to take the red and black body paint and go around my eyes on the prosthetic just to blend them to my skin because the edges are a little bit too thick. So this is the best way to blend them. Now, taking the red and black body paint, we're really going to go in every little crack and crevices. Make this look sunken in, more rotten. You want to take the dark black into the really deep hollows of the face, the cheekbones, the eye sockets, and just go ham. Now we're going to take the red and black and go on our lips. So I'm filling them in kind of like a grungy type of way with the black and red, but I'm going on with the black on the outside edges and really kind of smoking it out a little bit. Now taking some fake blood, we're going to take some fake blood, we're going to fill in our mouth area to look like we have been eating somebody before we died, but now we're resurrected. So it's time to eat again. But also look like we have been eaten by some animal creatures like snails and vultures. Put that blood inside of your eye sockets also and around your face wherever you feel like it. Now, taking some more body paint or acrylic paint, I'm going to start drawing on some veins. Whatever type of paint you're using, make sure it's really kind of watered down so these veins are really translucent. But if you get them too dark, you can take a sponge like I just did and dilute them out. So I'm going in with the same red shade that we kind of use in the eyes to give it more of like a nasty, decayed blood vessels. And we're just going to go ham. So if you don't know how to do veins, look at a reference photo or look at some zombie photos of veins and go ham and be creative. I really went ham because I really love the vein look. So that's what I went with. I'm also going to switch up the veins. I'm going to take a light blue deceased kind of shade and put on some blue veins. Because I really fell in love with these veins and I thought I needed some more colors. Different variations to break up the texture and all that good decay and stuff that we're doing with this zombie. So I'm taking the black cream paint once again. I'm really going to stipple it on my lips to give it that more decayed look. Now, this is a cool trick. So taking some glycerin, we're really going to stipple it on our face to look like we have been greasy, like a slug has been on us or some type of animal has been on us. So we're like really slimy. Here comes the fun part. So taking some cheesecloth, bandages, whatever you want to use, cover your whole body in these. I'm also wearing a little thermal white suit, as you can see right here, because I didn't have enough bandages, so I thought I would do that. Other than that, this is the final look. Other than contacts, I really want to wear my white contacts, but I kind of let my white contacts dry out, so I'm done without. But it still came out pretty cool. So alright, bye everyone.